only be helped by working together, by collectively following certain paths based on certain choices, things that we know very well that we have to do, we can't avoid, on that path to development, to where we want to be. As we work for development, as we work for our country to be secure, to be stable, to be free, to be really the best that we want to be and we are capable of being. You said here that, and you are right, you can't wait for somebody else to come and do some of these things for you. You can't outsource certain things. You can't outsource values. You can't outsource principles. You can't outsource hard work. You can't. All these are things you must face and do. When I say you, my you means me as well.